Okay, good morning, Alfarisi.
Morning.
Okay, let's start our class. Today, as mentioned in the syllabus, we're going to discuss about timing diagram. Last week, we already discussed about the combinatorial circuit, which is a circuit that using several types of logic gate, for example, OR gate, AND gate, inverter, combine all together to create a specific function. Last week, we use example of function f equal to a b naught plus bc, and we're going to use that function and that logic circuit for our timing diagram analysis. Now, this is the circuit, the combinatorial circuit for the AB naught plus BC. We have one OR gate, and we also have two AND gates and one inverter. We have inverter to invert the B to become not B, B naught. And then we have AND gate to create A times B naught. And also we have another AND gate to create the function of B times C. And then the last one we have the OR gate to create the additional function for A B naught plus BC. Now we're going to discuss about how if we supply an input, a specific combination of input to this logic circuit. Let's say, for example, I have this timing diagram. This is where A is 0 and B is 0 and also C is 0. What will be the output of F if A is 0, B is 0, and C is 0? To answer that, it will be better if it will be simple if we create first the truth table. Now let's create the truth table for this logic circuit. We have 8 combination for 3 inputs 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, etc. until the last one is 1, 1, 1. Now to make it simpler, now let's take f is the output of an additional function. An additional function, if one of the input is 1, for example, this one is 1, then the output will become 1. So f is 1 if this leg is 1. So if BC is 1, then f is 1. Now, BC is 1 when B is 1 and C also 1. That means we need to find out which combination of those 8 inputs, of those 8 combination inputs, where the B is 1 and C is 1. This is B is 1 and C is 1. So the output will become 1. And this is also B is 1 and C is 1. So the output will become 1. Now let's move on to the next leg, which is A, B naught. If A, B naught is 1, then the output is 1. So what combination will make A, B naught 1? The combination is A is 1 and B is 0. So let's try to find out which one is A is 1 and B is 0. This is A is 1. Sorry, A is 1. This is A is 1. And B is 0. This is B is 0. So this will create the output will become 1. And this will become also 1. Okay, so the rest is 0. Okay, so the output will become 1 if BC is 1. BC is 1 is this combination and also this combination. The output will become 1. Whatever the value of A. Because when B is 1, C is 1, B times C, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 plus anything is 1. Okay, and then when A is 1 and B is 0, this is become 1 and also 1. 1 times 1 is 1, and if this one is 1, then the output become 1. So when A is 1, B is 0, this is the combination. A is 1 and B is 0, the output will become 1. Okay. Now, for this combination, A0, B0, and C0, so the output will become 0. So the output will become 0. Let's use now. For the next combination is when A0, B0, and C is 1. 0, 0, 1 will create an output of 0. So this will become also 0. Okay. Now 0, 1, 0. This combination 0, 1, 0 will create the output of also 0. So this is 0 volt, and this one is plus 5 volt or 1. Okay. Now the fourth combination is 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 will create the output of 1. So this will become 1. Okay. Let's put it in order just to make it clear. Right and also left. Okay. Now, next combination 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 will create the output of also 1. So this will become 1. Let's try to no border first. So this one is 1. And then the next combination is 1, 0, 1. This will create the output of also 1. Now 1, 1, 0 will create the output of 0. Okay. Now the last combination is 1, 1, 1. It will create the output of 1. Okay. Now this is the output signal for this specific combination. This is what we call the timing diagram. The x-axis describes the time, and the y-axis describes the voltage, or in this case is the logic value, 0 or 1. Okay. Now, next, how about if this circuit or if this logic circuit has delay? Now, let's say for example like this. We have 1 millisecond delay for the inverter, and also we have 2 millisecond delay for each of the AND gate, and also for the OR gate we have 2 millisecond delay. Delay means the output will be changed after the delay. Okay. Now, to analyze this circuit, we need to create, or we need to analyze for each point. For example, we need first to create what is the signal for B naught. Okay. B naught is the inversion of B. So it's supposed to be like this. This is the top. Okay. Because B is 0, then B naught is 1. However, there is a 1 millisecond delay. So in this case, the output will be delayed for 1 millisecond. So it becomes something like this. A 1 millisecond delay. And there is also 1 millisecond delay in here. And there is 1 millisecond delay in here. Okay. We explain that one block in here is 1 millisecond. So there will be 1 millisecond delay for the B naught. Okay. Now for the A B naught, we're going to multiply this signal with this signal, A times B naught. 0 and 0, 0 times 0 is supposed to be, 0, this is 0, and this one is 1. 0 times 1 is 0. And this one is also 0. So the output will become 0. However, there is 2 millisecond delay. So we're going to delay 2 blocks, 1, 2. So this will be the output for a B naught. And then this is 1 times 1. This is 1 times 1. So it will become, there is an example of 1 times 0 also. However, 1 times 0 is also 0. So this multiplication will result in here. Now, 1 times 1 is supposed to be 1 because 1 times 1 is 1. So the output will become 1. However, that output will be delayed for 2 milliseconds. So it will become 1, 2. So it will become in here. Okay. So this will be the output until 1, 2. And then this is 1 times 0. So the output will become 0. Okay, that will be a B naught with the 2 millisecond delay. Also 1, 2. Okay, now how about B and C? We're going to multiply B and C with an additional of 2 millisecond delay. So 0 times 0 is 0. So it's supposed to be 0 in here. However, there will be 2 millisecond delay. 1, 2 millisecond delay. So the output will start in here. And then B times C is, sorry, this is also 0 times 1, 1 times 0, and 1 times 1. So this is 0. And then this is the output for 1 times 1 with 2 millisecond delay. 1, 2 millisecond delay. So it will become like this. Top. Okay. There is a 2 millisecond delay. 1, 2. So this will be 0 until this one. So this is 0 times 0, and 0 times anything is 0. So the output will become 0. And then this is 1 times 0, also 0. And so we're going to have 0 also until this one. And this one will create 1 times 1, which is 1. And the output will be delayed 2 milliseconds. So this is the output for B and C. Okay. Now we're going to add AB naught plus BC. However, we need to have 2 millisecond delay. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So this will become 0. But we're going to start 1, 2 millisecond. So this is the start of F. And then there is also 2 millisecond delay in here. So we're going to have this one. Now 0 plus 1, this is 0, this is 1. The output 0 plus 1 is 1. However, that output will be delayed 2 milliseconds. 1, 2. So this output will be in here. So it will be in here. And then this will be 1. Okay. Now 0 plus 1 until so it will become like this. This is also 1. Because this one will be delayed for another 2 millisecond delay. Okay. Now the output of this is result from this and this. 0 plus 0, which is 0. So this is 0. Oops, sorry. Okay. And then 1 plus 0 or 1 plus anything is 1. So the output will become 1, 2. So this will become 1 until here. So this will become 1. And this will become 0. And this will become 1. Okay. So this will become the output of F when there is a delay within the logic gate. If we compare this signal with the function F with the previous example, is quite different. This is 1, 1, 1, or 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then there is supposed to be one, a long one, 1, 1, 1. However, in here, there is a glitch. This will be called glitch, because it's supposed to be flat 1, 1, 1, and 1, but there is a glitch in here, because there is a 0 in here, because there is a delay created by the B0. So if this one is the ideal circuit, there will be 1, 1, 1, but this is not ideal circuit because there is a delay. So it will become not flat 1, but there is 1, supposed to be 1, 1, and 1, but there is a glitch in here, 0. And then there is 0 and also 1, just like the ideal version, 0 and then 1. Okay, so if we contribute or include the delay within, from the logic gate, we can create a glitch. For example, like this. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, the circuit, this ideal circuit, using the Tinkercad. This is our previous circuit using the Tinkercad, implemented using the 7404, which is the inverter, and 7408, which is the AND gate, and 7432, which is the OR gate. And this is the function generator to create a signal for A, B, and also C. As we can see, A has 250 Hertz, B have 500 Hertz, and C has a 100 Hertz. That means C has a higher frequency compared to A and B, just like this. The period of A is 4 times C, and the period of A is twice compared to B. Okay, now let's try to start the simulation. Now, as you can see in here, this is the output signal of F. Now let's try to capture. Now, you can see in here, just like our example 0, 0, 0, we also have the 0, 0, 0, and then 1, and then 0. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Like this. Okay. Okay, so far any question? Okay, just a closing remark from me. Because there is a delay in actual device, that means logic circuit will have a maximum working frequency. For example, when there is a delay of 1 millisecond, we cannot expect that the circuit will behave correctly when we supply an input with a very high frequency, because the glitch will become very big. In here, we have the delay of 1 millisecond, and also we have 1 millisecond for one block. That will create a glitch in here, just one glitch. However, if we add the delay, for example, from 1 millisecond to 10 millisecond, the glass will become very big because this B naught will be delayed further away. Okay, that's why in any logic circuit, they have working frequency. Usually they only have the maximum frequency. We cannot working beyond this frequency. For example, I only work under 100 megahertz. So if we supply 1 gigahertz frequency, then the delay will become very enormous. And the circuit will behave incorrectly. Okay, but there is also a specific logic gate which also have the minimum working frequency. So I expect to work between this frequency range. I cannot work beyond this frequency, and I cannot also work under this frequency. Especially that works for the TTL. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. And remember to do the assignment in the LMS for your attendance. Okay. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, Iksan. Apa Rizky?
Siap.